everyone, it's Arlene from Arlene's Creations, and today I'm going to show you how I made the favors for the men that came to the Jack and Jill rustic themed baby shower. So you're going to need some glue, some tags, some scissors, some rustic keys, they're actually bottle openers, some twine, and a hole punch, which I couldn't find mine. So what I did was I printed out some tags that say the key to happiness is family and the ability to open a bottle. Brittany and Mike's baby shower and the date. And then on my Cricut machine, I cut out those mason jar tags. But they also sell them in Michael's, so you can find them there. Alright, so after you get all your holes poked through the mason jar tags, if you have spray adhesive or glue stick, you can use that, but what I'm doing is I just have a little bit of that white tacky glue and I'm putting it on with a fan brush. And then I'm just gonna position it and put it on the tag like so. And these read, the key to happiness is family and the ability to open a bottle. Brittany and Mike's baby shower. So these keys are actually bottle openers, and I got them on Etsy. I'll give a shout out to the woman on Etsy from Pineapple Supply. That's the name of her Etsy shop, Pineapple Supply. She has all different types and they're really, really cute. Alright, so you're going to just, with the glue, put all of your tags on like so. I only have 20 of these to make because there's only 20 men coming to the baby shower. So you just want to do that to all of them, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so the next step, after you have all your tags on, is to take a piece of twine. I pre-cut 20 pieces. They're about 5-6 inches long, and we're going to stick one end through the hole, and then we're going to run one end through the key, and we're just going to tie it in a knot. These favors are so easy to do, and I think the guys are just going to love them. Oh, I pulled it out. Little, what are you doing over there? My dog is making noises on the bed. Alright, so I'm just going to cut a little bit off here, and a little bit off right here. I'm going to pull the knot to the front of the hole, like so. And there you have it. A cute little favor for the men that they can put on their keychain, and they'll always have a bottle opener with them. So I'll just show you one more. So these mason jar little tags, they do sell. I think they're like a chipboard though. They do sell at Michael's and Hobby Lobby, but I just used this craft brown color cardstock, and I cut them out on my Cricut machine because I only needed 20. And it's so much cheaper to do it that way as well. So I printed, I cut these out on my Cricut machine. And then the tags I designed on Avery.com. That's where I design all my labels for my soaps and my scrubs and my candles and everything. And I didn't print that on label paper. I just did that on cardstock as well, and then cut them out with those crimp scissors that made the little edge. So I got 12 per sheet. And so for these tags, it only it was 2 pieces of the craft paper to cut out 10 on each of the mason jars, and 2 pieces of the cardstock paper in this, it's like a beige color, to cut out. So literally it just cost for 4 sheets of paper. Very inexpensive way to make a nice standout tag. And yeah, so these keys, like I said before, I got from Pineapple Supply from Etsy. And you could check out her site. She has all different kinds of keys. I didn't want anything too fancy. I just wanted rustic looking. Simple rustic. So that's why I got these. I have blue dye all over my hands. Food coloring. And I think they were, if they were $1 a piece, that was a lot. I don't remember. Might have been, I ordered 2 sets and it came in a set of 10. So yeah, they're very inexpensive and they're nice. They're heavy. They're like brass. So if you'd like to do something like this, if you're having some type of a party where there's men that are going to be there, you could do any type of a tag, any type of string. You could even do ribbon, and then the key, and it's a nice little favor for the men. Now I just want to show you real quick what I'm going to be putting them in, which I made this as well. So I made this box. This is actually milk jugs from the Dollar Tree that I painted brown, then I painted white with the chalk paint, and then hit it with the sandpaper. This is actually a wine box that I got from the liquor store because they throw them out. I have quite a few of them. I have to make another one for the women's favors, which I'll be doing a tutorial on that as well. But so it's like a beige colored box. So what I did was I painted it with the brown, then painted it with the white, and while it was still a little bit wet, I just took my my metal brush that I got from the Dollar Tree and I just scuffed it up. So I did the whole entire box, the inside and the top and the sides, and then I just hot glued these milk jug legs onto it, and then I filled it with leftover scraps of twine and some of this black basket filler paper. And what I'm going to do is just set all the keys in here for the men to take, and that'll be on the table like that. I'm going to hang one of the keys, can't see it too well here, but I'm going to hang one of the keys from the clip up here, so when it's all the way open, the key will be hanging down. It'll be like that, so people can know what's inside the box. And then I'm going to put a sign in here that says gents, G-E-N-T-S, like the gentleman, gents, please take one. And then in the ladies box, I'm doing little mason jars with hand cream in them, which I'm going to show you a tutorial on that. But then on their box, I'm going to put ladies, please take one. And so yeah, so that's my cute little rustic farmhouse party favors for the men. Very, very easy to do, very inexpensive. And, you know, it's just, I couldn't think of anything for the men, and then I came across these keys, and I said, oh, that would be perfect. And you could write whatever saying, but since it's a baby shower, and they're starting their new family, that's why I put the key to happiness is family, and the ability to open a bottle. And then with their names and the date. So yeah, so I'm loving this little idea. And I could put everything in here when I'm going to the baby shower to transport it, so all the favors will be in there. And then when I get there, I could just open up the top on the table. So I do have a lot of DIYs for this baby shower, so if you're going to be doing a baby shower in the Rustic Farmhouse theme, I'm going to have a whole entire playlist on everything that I'm making for it. So I'm going to just download all the videos at once, put them into a playlist, and then you can watch them all at one time. Alright, so thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll be back with another DIY very soon. I think I'm going to do them Monday and Wednesdays, and then my simple tip Saturday. So I wasn't sure if I was going to do videos Wednesday and Friday, but I think it's easier for me to do them Monday and Wednesday. So I'm still up in the air with that, but it's definitely going to be 2 videos per week, plus a simple tip Saturday. Alright, so thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please hit that notification bell so that you can know when my new videos get posted. Please like my videos. I really appreciate everybody that watches and comments. In the beginning of the summer, I am going to be doing a giveaway, so look out for that giveaway. I think I'm going to give away a couple of my candles that I make. So I got to think of, like, maybe if it's the 100th person that comments, or I don't even think I get that many people watching a video, but we'll see what happens. It might take a while, but yeah, so it's going to be something. But stay tuned for the giveaway. And yeah, so that's it. Thank you very much. Let me finish these. I have all the quite a few keys left to put the tags on. So, all right, thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody. And one more thing, very, very soon, the tenant downstairs that lives in my apartment downstairs is going to be out. I mean, it's not a great apartment. I have to paint down there and do some stuff. But as soon as he's out, I'm going to have that whole downstairs to do my woodworking, to do my soaps, to do my candles. I'm going to have this area set up with the lights and everything to record video. Because right now I'm just basically, we're getting the downstairs done. So my bathroom was ripped apart. The spare bedroom down there is ripped apart. Everything's all over the place. So I'm basically just doing videos wherever I can do them. So I apologize for that. So coming real soon, hopefully, I'll be more organized, and I'll be doing my videos in one spot and with the correct lighting, and so you'll see the difference. All right, but thanks for sticking with me, and everybody have a great day. Bye-bye now.